Hello beautiful, welcome back and welcome to another random stuff I buy from SHEIN. I have a few items here and I have more stuff on the floor. I'm going to try to keep this video as short as possible. Wish me look on that. Wish me look. Yeah, I did film another SHEIN a few days ago and I still have another one to film. So yeah, a lot of SHEIN hauls again on my channel. Stay tuned for more, and if you don't follow me, what you're waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, activate all the notifications so you can get notified every single time I'm posting a new video. And without any further ado, if you guys want to see what I recently purchased from SHEIN, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start with what I have in this package. I have two items here because I did open this to see if I got all the items. You know, you have to go on the app and say that your package arrived and you have all the items in there. I haven't had any bad experience with SHEIN, with packaging or returning my money. So I don't know for you guys, but I honestly haven't had any issues so far with them. I mean, some of the products, you know, they are kind of gimmicky, but I'm not sponsored. I wish though. I wish 2021 get sponsored from SHEIN. Wish me luck on that. I do purchase these items with my own money. I do make a little bit of money from YouTube, but that doesn't pay my bills. Anyway, oh my god. So I'm going to start with a rug. Yeah, it's super fluffy, so it looks like this. A lot of fluff is flying in here, and I already have that on my shirt. Hey, attention to the size. I guess I didn't pay enough attention. Yeah, what can I say? Overall, I do like it, and I just realized that it has a pattern. I thought the fluff makes that shadows, but no. Next I have this bag seal. I did use this before and it works. You can see that black thing is melted plastic. So this is what it does. It melts the plastic, and when the plastic melts, it stays together, like it seals. I'm super impressed that it actually works. It did seal my bag. You see? It sealed my bag. Wow. This was a very nice discover, I must say. So yeah, if you guys are into TikTok or Reels or whatever, stories, Instagram stories, I have something very interesting for you guys. I bought a colorful ring light, and why the heck my camera is not focusing on my face? Camera. So I feel like this is super nice. Also, it was 13 euros or so. They do have another one, a little bit more expensive. A little bit more expensive. I think that's 16 euros. I don't know exactly, and I don't know what's the difference in between the two. But I bought the cheapest one because, hello, you gotta stay affordable. It looks fragile. Very nice packed. As you can see, it came in a box. This little tripod stand, whatever this is called, is not very safe. It feels cheap, obviously. It's plastic, and also this is not very heavy, but because of the weight, it opens by itself. Let's see, I'm going to press the RGB button. Oh, so it came with a white light. Oh my god, I thought this was colorful, like only colors. I'm super impressed so far. So wow, forget about the tripod. I will find something else. Wow, you see how bright that is? Oh, now it's red, now it's green, now it's blue, yellow. So yeah, it has a bunch of colors. Wow, that looks so cute, you guys. This actually looks so, you see how, oh my god, I love this. I love this. Moving on, I bought a cute backpack, and it has a lot of cat hair. How cute and adorable this is. I don't like the fact that it's not very secure, like the straps are super thin. Overall, this is not very safe, so you have to be very careful if you live in areas where they like to rub. I feel like it's so cute and adorable. I do like the fabric. This is faux leather, and actually I thought here we have another compartment, but actually no, this is the main compartment here. It has 2 openings. Again, not very safe, but yeah, so this is the backpack I'm wearing these days. I do really like it. I hate the fact that the straps are so thin. Moving on, I bought some boots. These boots are meant for walking. And you guys, you won't believe, I think I paid, the original price is 18 euros, but I end up paying 10 euros 56. Well, I did wear them once, as we can see, and they're very comfortable. Surprisingly, they're not very thick. On the inside, it doesn't have that fluffy feeling, you know, a winter boot will have. It has this soft fabric inside. So I got the size European 37, and that says a lot about me. Yeah, I'm petite. Not really petite, but kind of petite. In between. Anyway, so yeah, I got the size 37. I was a little bit concerned what size to get because, you know, when you buy online, it's a little bit more difficult. But you have to read the reviews, the reviews on their page. So a lot of people said that they are true to size and to get your size. So I got my size. This is my size. Moving on, I have a few tops to show you, and I don't want to include them in my clothing haul that I'm going to film, I don't know when, maybe tomorrow, because that video will be super long. So I'm going to include a few items in this haul. Starting with the top I'm wearing is full of cat hair and fuzzy stuff from that rug. I have this cute black top. Is so freaking adorable. I'm going to have close-ups or little clips where I show you the whole thing, and it's not see-through. Surprisingly, it's not see-through. I mean, this is mesh top. Mesh. Anyway, this top is super cute. I paid only 3 euros. Isn't that crazy? I love SHEIN. Anyway, this was a gift from me to me. I love buying gifts for myself. So yeah, I bought this Christmas sweater. You know, that ugly sweater everyone has, and I don't think they are ugly, honestly. This has weight on it and it feels like a real sweater. I mean, it's a real sweater, and it was 23 euros, a little bit more expensive for SHEIN, but oh, Miss Guzzi, but the quality is so good, and I end up paying 26. Oh my god, I'm sorry for that, I'm burping. Anyway, moving on, I bought some sports bra because I'm so active. Oh my god, I work from my couch. I work my fingers on my phone from my couch. The quality feels amazing, but I don't like the straps because they are, I don't know, too elastic for my liking. I wish they were a little bit more wide, a little bit more stiff, a little bit more supporting, I guess. But overall, this feels super nice. It comes with the pads inside. You can remove them. I don't know exactly, but I think I bought this on Black Friday because they had huge sales on Black Friday. So a lot of stuff I'm showing you today, I did bought them on Black Friday, and everything was super affordable. So this is in the size extra large, and it fits me nice. I don't know exactly, you guys, I don't know exactly my bra size because it's so confusing. I have big boobs, and I want to believe that I'm 36, 38D, in between those sizes. Next, I have this lace up belt, and this will keep you very snatched. It will make you look like you have the hourglass shape. Now, because I gained a little bit of weight, this looks cute on me, but the lower side is a little bit exposed when I'm wearing this. So that's that. I did wear this once, And actually I can't sit if I have this on, because as you can see it gets super wrinkly, and that's not the vibe, that's not the vibe. But oh my god, you guys, this was €2.34. Moving on, I have this top, and I did wear this in one of my videos. I don't know what video I filmed, and I don't understand why everything cute and girly and it looks like this, it has to be crop top. Like, you know, I have some rolls to hide. I don't want to expose them, and no matter how high-waisted my jeans are, this type of crop tops doesn't look cute if you have rolls to cover up or to hide. Mostly got this for my videos. Like all of my crop tops. Yeah, I do wear them in my videos because you cannot see what's happening down here. Okay, so yeah, this is a crop top that I got only for my videos. Next, I have this top that is way too large on me, so I guess I need to stick to the medium size. So this is not, it doesn't fit me right because it's large, and it fits me weird, but overall it's a nice top. I'm going to put the picture. Next, I have this button up crop top. The sleeves are very long, as we can see, but this is a crop top and I don't really like that, but the color is so cute. The camera doesn't pick the color right. This is like a light lavender color, and I don't have anything lavender in my collection. It's so cute, I like it. It looks better on me if I don't button it. Okay, moving on, I have this animal print butterfly top. Again, I got this in large, and it is large on me. Anyway, this is so cute. Actually, the fabric is super soft and is stretchy, as we can see. Okay, next I have a crop top hoodie, and love me some crop top stuff, right? Camera, I'm here. This is so beautiful. It has a lot of cat hair. Excuse that, but I do have cats. So I got this in medium. The fabric feels so soft, so nice. I wish it was a little bit below my belly button and it had pockets, but because it's a crop top, pockets doesn't really make sense, right? Next, I have this colorful sports bra and leggings, and who am I? I paid only €5.62 for both, and I got this in medium. Actually, it fits me so nice, especially the bra. It feels very tight. It feels like it holds the girls in place, and overall it's so nice. I do really like it. The pants fit me very nice. I mean, the leggings, they are kind of high-waisted, which I really love, but they are a little bit short, like they are above the ankles, which is not a bad thing, right? The fabric feels so soft, but in front where your coochie is, it looks a little bit awkward, and I don't know why. Moving on, I have this buffalo plaid teddy hoodie jacket, and actually, you guys, this is so freaking soft and thick, but I have to say that again, this is crop top, and actually on their website it doesn't look crop top, which is but I guess because I have big boobs I have big boobs, it has to adjust and it looks a little bit more cropped on me. Anyway, I do love it. Next, I have a black top, and because it's black you can't really see you can't see it. It's full of cat hair, obviously, but it has little ruffles on the shoulders and also on the neck area. It doesn't have them on the bottom or on the sleeves. The fabric feels very soft. I do have something similar from SHEIN, but I mean, it's not identical, it's similar. I paid €3.75 and I got this in large. I think this is the only large top that it fits me nice. And last but certainly not least, another black top. On their website this looks so beautiful, but because I got this in large, it doesn't fit me right, and also it looks a little bit awkward. So yeah, I got this in large. Woo! Bless you! It has this puffy sleeves and this V opening in the front, which is super cute, very touchy. But I did wash this and look what happened. That's not cute. So yeah, it has like a wire in here. Oh, and I also bought a bedding set, and I thought the fabric will be so cheap, so not cute, but I'm surprised. I do have that right now on. The fabric feels nice. It's called 3D pattern. I don't know why 3D. Anyway, bedding set without filler. So I got the size 230 and 220, and I paid €7.79, and originally it was 25 euros. They have very cute bedding sets, but kind of expensive for Shein. Anyway, so I guess that's that for this haul. Stay tuned because I'm going to have to film 2 more, I guess. So yeah, as I said, I haven't had any issues so far with them, and let's keep it that way, Shein. And by the way, I'm waiting your email. Let's do that sponsored video, shall we? I'm just kidding, but I put this into the universe, so the universe is aware of what I want from it. Okay. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below what was your favorite item so far from this haul, and yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one.